Hi, in this video I will show you how to generate quizzes using AI. First of all, let's create a quiz and use Generate with AcademyOcean Assistant option. We can create a quiz from topic, from lesson, and from prepared materials. Let's start from topic. You can choose the language and the amount of questions. Click on this button. When the questions are generated, we can add them to quiz. Let's also generate the quiz from lesson. So select a course and the lesson. We also can choose language and click here. Click Add questions to quiz. To generate a quiz from prepared materials, we need to go to our document where we have the quiz, copy it and paste here. Click on the button and add questions to the quiz. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.